Got a birthday present. Blackndecker 20 volt lithium cordless chainsaw. It's a 10-inch. It has the 2 amp hour battery. And it's got a bunch of pretty cool features that are not typical for, like this right here. That's great. I love that. I'm gonna have to get some more batteries though, but I'm gonna get this battery out of here and charge it so I can play with it. Out of the box, everything's packaged neatly with the bar, battery and charger. Oh, it's not a charger, it's attached to the actual chainsaw. I'm gonna go charge this. Ouch, it just stabbed me. The charger was down at the bottom of the box. Instructions are a little hand unit. Let's give me some bar oil and the battery. I'll go charge it and get it ready to use. Got lots to cut down. Just unwrapping the blade. Been putting up fence and my hands are all dirty. But I'm loving this quick detach thingy. Really like that. Beats the heck out of finding a wrench. Screwing with it every time. Comes right off. Put this right on. This is very interesting. I like this. It says that the tension adjustment is even better. Let me tighten it down good. Nope. Past chainsaws, you had to go get a little. You had to go get a screwdriver and adjust the little screws that are right here. This one right here. So you just twist it. Do it with one hand. And it adjusts the tension, pulls it in tight. Love it. Once the tension is good, might be a little too tight. It'll probably work itself out. You just tighten this down to really lock it in. Put some chain oil in. The battery goes on the side here. Yeah, it's hard to do this stuff one-handed. Ready to rock and roll. I've got a lot of wood. Think I can handle that one? Now I'm going to try those little branches at the end. Where you can saw, take the little strip ties off there. You can pull the trigger. Sounds good. Not as fast as that big Ryobi, but should be able to do a little work for me.
Okay.
How about that?
Standing in the way.
Sorry. I don't usually hit big pieces like this, but let's just for fun.
Pretty good.
I like it. I wonder how long it lasts. Maybe I'll let you know at the end of the video how many of these I got through. Overall, I like it. It's for small jobs. I'm not going to get through that.
But you can cut up the little pieces.
But you can get the stuff on the end, and beats toting around that big chainsaw if you can only need it for a little stuff. Lasted a pretty good while. We're out here a couple hours. Moon Pals out. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share.